Alright guys, there's another new update in the Animal Company. Or in Animal Company. I just do a video with the lizard and it looks like it's actually out. What the? Okay, okay, I have to check that. Is that Office? I'll check that in a sec. I just want to see. Oh, so like they hadn't, yeah. I don't know. That's like a different shade, or color or something. Is there any new items? In the loading screen though, it looked like there was a new item. That's why I thought there would probably be something new. I looked in the Discord, they said they did something with Forest. No! Oh, okay, oh, whoa. Oh no, the little secret area on Landmine Field is gone. Well, the Landmine Field is still here. That's fine. Like all the conspiracy theories with the dam, it's the exact same. And there's just this. I think this is. Oh, jeez. No, they got rid of the table that was here. Oh, wait. Yeah, they did. Okay, this area just feels plain now. That over there just feels plain. Yeah, that's just Office. It feels so plain though over there. They need to add something. So can you like climb? Oh well. Okay, that's a weird climbing physics. Yeah, there's nothing new. Next update, I'm guessing, is gonna be a new item. Probably with something else. Since in the loading screen, there was literally a new item. It was like a grenade or something. This is a whole rocket ship. What? I mean, alright. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm sure. Huh? Mommy? Where am I? No way. You can buy stuff in here too? What are these? Are these cars? Me drive. Me go drive. Oh my god. Can I do a backflip on this thing? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! This thing is kind of hard to drive. What is that? What is that? Pull back. Oh my god. I like go over like just like in the atmosphere. Okay, that's kind of trippy. Okay, this really reminds me of Gorilla Tag Skating Park. Okay, I'm cooked. Can this do? Oh, I figured how to pull back. Alright, let me just like hit a drum. Oh damn, this thing goes fast. Oh dang. Never mind, I did not figure out how to pull back. I'm cooked. Oh wait, what's that? Say goodbye, car. What's this? What? I'm stuck! What? Bro. What's this car? Bro, the car! I'm trying to grab the boombox thing. Wait, is the OG boombox still here? I have to check that out. Why did I throw that? Is there anything else? There's this thing. Is this like a nuke? Oh! This is a new item. These are new items. Okay, so I guess this will probably won't be. No! How do I me go down? This is interesting. I think you should be able to buy these though. Or if I just like run, no, run, no. I'm cooked. Okay, like, oh, swim. All right, what's in here? Is this like a green screen? And then there's just this. What's over here? I just want to check these craters since so far each one has had something in it. Now they have absolutely nothing. Of course, that one I said that. That one has a rocket ship in it. These updates are sick. Can't really. Oh, wait, what? No way I landed. That's crazy. I thought it was actually pretty good on this one. I'm gonna bring this thing along, probably. Oh. This boombox is my favorite. This music's a bop. Okay, these grenades, those grenades? I don't know, this is kind of weird. It's like, oh my god, it doesn't fly. I don't know why, I thought it was looking at me. These can be helpful, I guess. Kind of. Like, what does it do if I just like... Wait, I need test. We need to test. Can I look cool? Oh, no, I'm good. Does it make this fly? Is this like low gravity? Nope. Is there any more? I guess it doesn't fly. Unless it doesn't like work with those. I just like buy like an RPG. I just like place this here. And I throw a grenade at it. Fucking grab it. I think I used them all. Yeah, it doesn't really do it. This thing, I could already see the theories coming out in YouTube videos. Oh, they respawn really quick. I could just see the theories coming in on this, bro. The amount of like theories is gonna be. Oh wait, this is a picture of these. So it's just a capsule that goes into it, I guess. Does that mean it doesn't work? Time capsules or whatever it is. These cars are low-key fun. I think I'm gonna go into a public and just play around. I might check around a little bit more stuff in the public. Do I like? Can you not get back? Are you kidding? Are you actually kidding? Can't get back. Oh wait, oh, this TV probably... Okay, that's kind of sick. This is different. One... I kind of want to check out it. I don't know, everything just feels different. I mean, I kept trying to tell people that there's gonna be no live event. They wouldn't listen to me. These trees look different. Okay, that hitbox is so messed up. Okay, and that hitbox doesn't even have a hitbox. Can you like not enter? Bro. What? What was that noise? What? I don't know, bro. Why does it automatically enter into the anglefish area? Where's the chicken and lunch? Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to code. Or just public. Right.
Hey, you! Here.
Wait a minute.
Alright.
Hey, I wait.
I want to test something. I want to test out the.
Fucking great. It's I got the fucking.
I want to test if the pinata is still there. Yeah. That's Armstrong. So this whole area is just the chicken area? Are you kidding? So it just turns dark immediately. And now you're in the dark the whole time.
Rest in peace, Suarez.
Oh no,
So,
that's weird. What? Okay, this is weird. I'm so confused. It's too, like, I don't know. That's Armstrong. And yeah, the pinata's sadly gone. That pinata was fun. I wonder what the next step is gonna be. Everyone's saying when the dam's gonna break, they can summer. It's gonna be like a summer event. I don't know. I don't know why. I just don't see Animal Company doing live events. Yeah, I'm probably wrong, but I just don't. This is a cool entrance. I like that. It's so bright. I like this entrance a lot more. Yeah, I like the vents, but it's almost too bright. I liked how bright it was before. See if I can change it. Oh my god. They need to fix their elevators. Elevator is so broken. Okay, this tree is definitely rotting away. Hold up. Wait a minute. This tree. What? Okay. The tree is literally rotting away. That's probably gonna have to do with something. Is that bird nest noise there? I mean, I don't know. These gold doors have been just sitting here. Could like open it or something. Like, what if like the tree falls and like it smashes the door and like it opens to like a new area? That would be sick. If the tree fell and it smashed, like one of the branches fell, that'd be pretty cool. Please don't bring me up to the elevator. Thank God. And this door is also just no reason. Just there. It looks like one of those fake doors they put in for no reason. This leads nowhere. Wait, what is this? Connect, and it just goes nowhere. Okay. This place is way too empty. So much space over here. So much space. I should have like moved the bench over here. Oh, well, this is kind of different. It's like a little stand up here. Kind of like that. What is this? What? Track his office. It's kind of cool. Oh, I liked it. Oh, wait, they moved the water tower up. I didn't even realize that the water tower used to be like where those trees are. Now the water tower is up here. Okay, I get the water tower, but why is there this massive platform for no reason? Has this changed color or texture? Okay, this is definitely changed. This looks way different. It looks a bit flatter over here. Yeah, this looks way flatter. It's still really easy to get on the map. Look at the ogre. He's just standing there. What is that? Is that like a wall or is that like a freaking vault? Wait. But that's the forest. What? Oh, that's probably like the sewers. That's the sewer area.
Guys wants me to do a
Let's see if they
front
get
flip.
back to secret
back.
couches. There used to be like 2 couches up here. You could see them in my leprechaun short that I made. There used to be like 2 couches up here. It's pretty cool. Not here anymore. Yeah, and I saw this. I didn't even realize this. But my parents were with my friend. There's like a wall over there. I want to go check that out.
Guys wants me to do a backflip. I know how to do a backflip.
No.
No, Jared.
Nope, they still don't.
I will. It's
I
basement.
want to go see what this wall is.
Actually, on real life, if you
I don't know if this used to be here. I mean, yeah, it definitely was here before this update, but I just want to see.
Somebody, grab one with a grappler and
Yeah, it's it's a really nice wall. Just like something, you can just like. It's like the best wall ever. It's so like working and functional. I don't even know if that was a word. Even if like they don't like do a flood, it would be really cool if they added boats and jet skis that you can just like zoom around here in. And then just fishing would just be so calm. Or also like if like that area like say like there's 2 thicker things and it gets like
Meow, meow.
more in. Like what if like they're like that thing right there opened and then that opened, like, and then like you can like go in there, like you're in the dam and then you're like under this area. That's just like a secret bunker with like stuff in there. Put it on a different channel because I feel like just talking about it. Yeah, that would just be sick. I feel like even if they didn't add this, I don't fishing and like jet skis zooming around here. That they have like cars and stuff, and we know they can do this. Like zooming around here in jet skis would be so fun. Same as like boats. Like yeah, that'd be. This light has like still has no purpose. That building up there has no purpose. I mean, they haven't forgotten about the dam because they added another dam back there and more water. That was a long time ago they added that. And the dam was, the water was really the best thing in the winter update. Like, they gotta use this for something. Like, even if you can, like, scuba dive, go underwater, find stuff, there's like sharks though and squids. Yeah, I feel like that'd be cool. Like, just like this right here could like open up. Like you can go in there, collect new stuff, new items, new monsters too. I feel like that would just be really cool in Animal Company. So since this video is like, well, it's kind of long now. Since it was short with the update, honestly, expect me more with the update. I kind of like wanted to make it a little longer and talk about what I think they should do with the lake. Like if you can like, I don't know, like buy a jet ski and you can like place it in the water and just like drive off with it and shoot RPGs off of it, bro. That'd be so much fun. Like that'd be a lot of fun. And even like I really don't mean to be mean. I'm a big fan of Nutor, but he was completely wrong. I'm not trying to be mean, but he was. Like, I just want to say something. The day and night cycle leak he had, you might see this, like when he would show a leak of like a ghost emoji and a sunshine emoji that they sent in Discord. But you realize they sent that leak before the Only Up map came out, and they were teasing that for the Only Up map since the ghost standed for what is it called? The reviving system, and the sunshine standed for the Only Up. Because if you beat the Only Up, there's sunshine, and the old loading screen, the loading screen before this one was like a sunshine above the stage. So I do feel like a day and night cycle would be amazing. Like when it's night, like Minecraft monsters would like spawn out here, like the ogre, the anglerfish. You know, that'd be cool. Probably not the red light, green light monster. That wouldn't really make sense. Like spider, mimics. That would be a lot of fun. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, the rocket ship is sick. I love this update. Just that it's kind of small. There's not that much to talk about in it. But yeah, this could also definitely be a map. Like, we've had this sitting here for no reason. This, like, other than, like, the texture, this was the only time it was really kind of touched. Because the rocket ship, and, like, yeah, it hasn't really been touched on any other times. So I feel like like a map in here would be sick. What are those white things? Is just like umbrellas or what? I feel like, yeah, a map. Either like, okay, the asteroid idea was amazing. I like that. There's no umbrellas. I knew that. I knew it probably wasn't gonna happen. I also watched these guys' videos, his videos about like how animal companies have a birthday update. I think they definitely should. What? Why is there... Does this work? Oh, you can't grapple. Wait, did they nerf the grappling hook? He said they would nerf the grappling hook to where it can't grapple onto something. And it can't grapple onto the rocket ship. Can it grapple onto the top of the map area? It can. Right. Yeah, so I said like... Okay, I would say like, if there's gonna be a happy birthday update, maybe this coming Tuesday. That would be after this Tuesday, next week. I do think we do need a birthday update. But yeah, yeah, so this is a W update. And this is also just more my thoughts on what they really should add. If you want, I have so many ideas of what Animal Company could add, what they shouldn't add and stuff. And I can make maybe more videos on that if you guys want to. Just like talking of what I think should be added in Animal Company, and maybe like what shouldn't. Because I have so many ideas and like, you know. But yeah, this is a great update. The only thing I don't like is I don't really like how they made the water tower. I don't like how down there is so freaking blank. There's like barely anything there. At least add the bench or something. 2 sofas. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah. Like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. And also, if you're wondering, my next Yeats video will be on the new update. I'm not gonna say what it is, in case you don't want any spoilers or anything. So yeah, I will see you. What should I call you guys? Companies. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Wee.